guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing a new product that has landed in the shop. I also want to give you a reminder, tomorrow is our Halloween trick-or-treat YouTube hop. It's going to be filled with amazing inspiration for Halloween. So save the date for tomorrow, 9 a.m. Central Time. Head on over to the channel and you could start the hop from here. So Helen, Crafty Mama Diaries, has started her own sequence shop on Etsy. So I have the pleasure of carrying her sequence mixes in the shop, and I'm super excited about this. I created a section in the shop just for her sequence. You can find it under Scrappy Goodness and then Crafty Mama Diaries. I'm going to share each mix with you. I'll pour them out so you can get a better look. The photos don't do it justice. They are just so much prettier in person. So I'm going to spill them out so you can check them out and see how sparkly and beautiful those are. Now this one here is called the Sparkling Confetti. Isn't that gorgeous? You got to have sparkling confetti in your stash. It's just like a staple that goes on everything. I'm going to have the links in the description box for you. The next one is called Purple Ice. It's got some snowflakes in there. It's got some of that sparkling confetti with some very light purple snowflakes. Isn't that gorgeous? Just love that. There's some purple sequins mixed in there and some little sea beads in clear. Really pretty. The next one is called Ice Storm. This one's got more of a blue tone. It's got white snowflakes. Really, really pretty. The next one is called Pink Ice. We've got pink snowflakes. Super, super pretty. The next one is called Blizzard. This one is all in white. Got white snowflakes in this one. Some of that sparkling confetti. Really, really pretty. We've got multicolored snowflakes. So this one's all snowflakes. So this one's just snowflakes. Really beautiful. This one's called Iridescent Ice. Kind of changes colors when you tilt it. These are perfect for shaker cards or embellishments on your cards. This one is called Midnight Magic. It's perfect for your Halloween projects. This one's called No Elfin' Around. This one is a perfect holiday mix. You've got your greens and your reds. We've got white and clear mixed in there. Really, really pretty for the holidays. Great for a shaker card. This one's called Macaroon Love, and it's got nice pastels, pink, blue, and green. I see little stars in there. Really cute mix. And you know I had to end this on a coffee mix. So we've got But First Coffee. We just came out with 2 coffee themed paper pads. And here are some scraps from my paper pad, and look how perfect that matches. So excited. So here is a closer look of that But First Coffee mix. So meet us back tomorrow for a great Halloween hop. I did want to give you a heads up. Our coffee themed paper pads that just released are almost sold out. So if you wanted to grab these before the Coffee Lovers blog hop begins, which will be at the end of September, I believe, the restock won't come in until probably the end of the month, the very end of the month. So I will see you tomorrow for some fun hopping. Thanks so much for watching and checking out Crafty Mama Diaries brand new sequence mix. You can find her on Etsy. You can find her on YouTube. She's on our design team. So I'm pretty sure you know her as Helen, Crafty Mama Diaries. And thanks for supporting. I will talk to you guys real soon. See you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Central Time. Bye, guys.